Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Samsung Galaxy M31 Prime Edition. So in this particular video we'll be going to see how to do factory data reset process. So let's begin with that. So for that you have to move to the settings section. Once you will be tapping on settings section, you have to move or scroll back to the bottom where you will see this about phone section. Once you will be there, then you have to again scroll to the bottom to see where you will find this reset. Just tap it here. Before we jump into the factory data reset, I'll discuss few other things with you. So if you are doing factory data reset only for the network related problem, then I'll recommend to do reset network settings rather than factory data reset, because factory data reset will result into data deletion process, and before that you have to do the backup in your external drive, be it your SD card, laptop, PC or so on. But if it is only related to settings and so on, and you are so much frustrated that you have selected this setting and it is not, then I'll recommend you to reset setting. But this will also result into a lot of default settings, but it will never lose your data. So in that particular case, your Wi-Fi password may be reset, your Bluetooth pairing will be unpair, and few other things as well. But let's assume that you have done all those and again your underlying issues are there, then there is only one option available, that is factory data reset. So let's begin with that. I'm just going to tap it here. Now this time it will show you one prompt that all data will be really erased from your phone, including this and that. So if you are sure that okay, I have already taken the backup in my external storage, be it SD card, laptop, PC or wherever, then I will recommend you to press on reset button. Once you will press on reset button, then it will show you that all your personal information and so on will be deleted and those will not be recovered, and so data on SD card will not be released, erased. So again, you can back up your data on SD card and so on. Again, if you have some doubt, then I'll recommend you to go back. If you are pretty sure, then you can tap on delete all, and once you'll click it on delete all, it will restart your phone, and afterward it will do the data erasing process that I'll be showing you in next few seconds. So once this will be completed, it will show you data erasing or erasing section. So once that will be completed, then it will like erasing. So here it is deleting the data or erasing the data, and afterward it will do the encryption, and afterward installing app section will be started, and then we will be moving to the phone setup process. So let's wait till that particular time. So finally the installing application section has been started. Now after this we will be moving to the phone setup process, but in this particular process or section it will be installing all the default apps which are being shipped with this particular phone for the One UI Core 2.5. Some of them might be bloatwares and so on. So once this will be completed, then we'll set up our phone. So finally the app installation setup has been completed and it has started with the, or I would say proceeded with the phone setup process. So let's complete this ASAP. So I'll be only setting the needed parts or vital things and skipping all the unnecessary part. So for now I'm just skipping to connect with my Wi-Fi. The next step is, do you want to copy app and data? If you will tap next, then it will be going to ask you to connect to Wi-Fi. So I'm again going to skip it part. So again setting up clock settings and so on. Again accepting the default settings from the Google's point of view. Again skipping the security like pin and pattern part. I'll do this later on. Let me select these, and skipping the sign into the Samsung account as well. So we are almost on a verge of completing the phone setup process. Once this will be completed, we'll be booted to the home screen. So once we'll tap on the done button. So we have finally completed the factory data reset process and also set up our phone with respect to phone setup process. And once you will be connected to the Wi-Fi, all these apps where it is showing this Android default icon, it will be updated and installed successfully. So this was all from my side related to how to do the factory data reset process, or how to reset your phone, or how to do factory reset your phone. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family, and apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.